Online coaching, is it worth it? I got some mails, messages, comments on the YouTube and Facebook, and from there I concluded one thing, that some students are confused that whether they should invest money for the GATE preparation on online platform like Unacademy. This video is specifically for those students who have a confusion, who have to think twice or thrice before they invest money on these Unacademy type of online platforms for GATE preparations. So first we have to understand like what exactly we get from online platform. Okay, so online platform gives us a lot of confusion. Literally, whenever if you have any doubt about this comment, you can Google it or you can search it on the YouTube. Students will say that we have invested so much money but at the end of the day we didn't get what we were expecting. So these online platforms like Unacademy are more of like a buffet. You ever visit to restaurant, so what exactly happens, you have to pay 700 rupees like barbecue nation. So you pay 700 rupees and they will give you the starter, the main course, and finally the dessert. So I used to go, okay, so before corona I used to visit all these type of restaurant, and I always like go with the buffet. Okay, so we think that we can eat anything we want, but generally what happens, either you go with the starter and finally you finish with this dessert. Mainly people don't go with the main course. Okay, that's the strategy to convince people to eat more and more dessert and starter, so that they will not look into the main course. And you will see it also that this main course they don't take it seriously also. Okay, the same thing happens with Unacademy or any online platform. On Unacademy you will have to pay a 50,000-60,000 rupees. That's I think that's what I think, that much amount of money you will have to pay on Unacademy. And then what they will do, that you will register for GATE, okay, with 50,000-60,000 rupees, and for that they will allow you to access any faculty which is available on that platform. You can, like for fluid flow, or you have mass transfer, heat transfer, these type of subjects. For one subject there are a lot of faculties. So you get confused. First of all, you will get confused. These faculties are okay, there is no problem with the faculty. These are the same faculty which are taking or which are making lectures on online like YouTube platform, or taking lectures on offline coaching centers. They are the same faculty. The problem is that they will confuse you, lot of lectures, and you will end up with nothing. Sometimes it happens like more the alternates you will make now, the lesser you will succeed. You will have to sort out your or like summarized your destinations. You can't go with lot of alternates. Okay, you will have to finalize your way of achieving the destiny. Okay, so that's the one problem with the Unacademy. Now second thing is, like, confusion is the one problem, major problem. Second is the economy. Like in the last 1 year or more than 1 year, we saw this corona situation, because of which there is a lot of economical crisis that happened in the last one and a half year approximately. So today I will show you another way, another best alternate, where you will not have to invest money, but you can still prepare for the GATE equivalently who are preparing through Unacademy or any such platform, any such online platform. Okay, so before we start this discussion about how you should make a strategy so that you will crack the GATE with the same preparation, same quality of preparation which other people are preparing with. Okay, so there are a few facts. Number one is GATE is easy. There is like people think that GATE is a very difficult task just because it is this platform, this GATE exam is organized by IIT professors. That's why this exam is very difficult. No, GATE is very easy if you have a proper strategy. Okay. Number two, people think that coaching centers are the only source to prepare you for GATE or any such exam. Like for the 12th class student, they are preparing for NEET and JEE, right? My opinion is about the coaching centers is that they give you the path and the confidence. Okay, they will show you the path, that's how you should have to prepare and what you should have to prepare, but it's up to you in that preparation how much you will prepare for the GATE exam. Okay, so it's not worth it to completely dependent on the coaching centers, online or offline. And I will say, if we have to compare online and offline, offline are better. In offline, you will, if you have any doubt, you can ask anytime. Even if the lecture is finished, you can ask your faculty, okay sir, I have this doubt, can you please clarify it. You can ask any question also in between, after the lecture, before the lecture. You have a flexibility, okay. And on the top, you will always have a competitive feeling. You are sitting with 100 students, more than 100 students in one classroom, and if someone will respond to one question, so you will also have that curiosity to prepare for the gate, right? You also want to prepare more and more to be like equivalent to that student. So that's the quality of an offline. Online doesn't have that flexibility. You will be sitting in a you will be sitting alone in a room, and you will have a phone where you can't withstand, or you can't even withstand 1 hour on that online lecture. You can't withstand that one also. So we have this problem, that why should we invest 50-60,000 rupees on online lectures and then we should prepare for the gate. So first thing is, gate exam is very easy, okay. Second thing is, you have to prepare by yourself. Coaching centers provide you this facility. They will show you the path, they will show you what you have to prepare, and then you will have to prepare. Third thing is quality, okay. So we think that there are 10 to 12 subjects in a gate exam, so let's prepare everything. No need to prepare everything, okay. You will have to prepare whatever you are preparing, you have to prepare it best. If you are preparing mass transfer, it should be really best, okay. There should be no mistake in these subjects. In any subject which you are preparing, that should be perfect. You are preparing for maths, you are preparing for aptitude, you are preparing for mass transfer, heat transfer, whatever subject you choose, prepare it as best as possible. So quality plays a very important role in preparing for gate, okay. So don't go with the quantity, go with the quality. Now let's see some points that how you can prepare without coaching. So nowadays it's very easy to go through the syllabus. You know what is the syllabus. Even let's say you don't ever attended any online class or offline class, still you can find out what is the syllabus of gate, okay. So let's say I'm talking about chemical engineering. So we have 12 subjects in chemical engineering. So when I started preparing, I classified them in 3 categories. One is that in which I am good at, second in which I am average, and third category where I don't know anything about that specific subject, okay. So then you have to first prepare which you are good at. You have a command, you know the concept, just prepare it accordingly. For that, you have to first know the syllabus and then categorize them in 3 categories. That's that's how I used to prepare. The best preparations, the average one, and in which I am not good at. So this is the first step that you should have. Go through the syllabus and categorize them on that basis, how you want to prepare. Second thing is, find the source of content. This is very important. Like I said, there are online classes, there are offline classes. Okay, in online you will have to prepare. No, there is a second option. I don't understand why don't people take this platform seriously. And that platform is known as Neptel. Okay, this platform is completely organized by the IIT and IISc professors. Okay, and do you know, I think I have already mentioned in the starting of the video that the exam is conducted by the IIT professors, and the same professors are uploading their videos on the Neptel. I mean, that's the best stock that you have right now. Okay, why are you investing 50-60,000 rupees on online platform and you get the same stuff we are getting on Neptel at free of cost? I mean, you will have to pay for the internet, but rest of the video is free, and it is uploaded by the professor who is going to organize or make the questions in the gate exam. I mean, that's the best point you have to prepare, right? So if you don't have any money, if you have issues with the money, don't worry. Neptel is the right platform, okay, where you can prepare. And now they are making a separate platform also for the gate preparations. So they are uploading the gate questions. On that basis, when you will click it, they will take you on one specific video where the whole concept is available. So they are like organizing the special platform, gate platform on the Neptel. So my suggestion is, go with the Neptel if you have any issue with the money, okay. Now there is one more thing, that is the book. So we know that we can access the library. Many of us are from the coaching from the college, right? Many of us are belong to college right now. We are in the third year, fourth year. Some of them have passed out, but they still have the books. So at least choose one book for one subject. You should have one book for one subject, because we are not only preparing for the gate exam, we are also preparing for the interview. So you must have one book, at least one book with one subject. Like for the case of mass transfer, it should be either Tribol, BK Datta, Gawane, anything you want. Heat transfer, it should be like JP Holman or any other book you recommend. Then we have the fluid flow, McCabe Smith is there. Then mechanical operation also, we have the McCabe Smith. So similarly, we have other subjects also. We have Ginkgopolis, we have this one Stephanopoulos is there. So for every single subject there are books available. So you have to finalize the book. KV Narayan is there. So finalize one book for one subject. Okay, thoroughly read that book, solve the questions. That's the strategy you should have apart from the NAPTEL lectures. So you have the NAPTEL lectures, then have one book for one subject, and don't be shy. Like some people say, I am reading the this one Tribol, and you are reading Gawane. No worries. At least you are preparing according to your requirement. Okay, that book is available in the market and people are reading that book. It means that book is good. Okay, you don't have to always go with the books that are always recommended. You have to choose the books according to your flexibility. You are okay with what type of books. That's how you have to choose the books. Okay, so NAPTEL lectures are available, one book with one subject for one subject. That should be your strategy to prepare the concepts of one subject. So you have initially have the syllabus, you have now distributed the subjects on the basis of like which one you are good at, which you are average, and which you don't know anything about. Then you move on to the source of the content. The one is if you have the money, go with the online coaching, no worries. But if you don't have money, NAPTEL is the right choice. It is equivalent to these coaching centers, because these lectures are uploaded by IIT professors. Okay, second thing, you have to choose one book for one subject. Okay, now the third one is gate questions. Some people think that if we will solve some book, it is okay. No, you will have to solve the gate question. There is a format of gate paper. Okay, there is like in 2021, if you will see, we have single option questions were there, MSQ questions were, multiple selective questions were there, numerical type questions were there. So questions will also be distributed on the form of quality, like some are numerical based, some are conceptual based, some are memory based questions are there. So you will have to choose accordingly. Okay, so you have to prepare accordingly. So you must know the format of the paper, how they make, like what is the percentage of memory based questions, what is the percentage of this one numerical type, MSQ questions, MCQ questions. You understand, like how should you prepare, and on that basis you will finalize it, like how you should attempt the paper. There is a fact that the way you are solving these previous year's question, the same strategy should be for the case of final paper. At the time you are finally attempting the gate paper, that time also you should have a format. So you have to make a format of the whole paper. The strategy to attempt the paper, you will have to make a strategy. There is a video we have uploaded on that one, that how you should prepare, how you should attempt the gate paper. Okay, so that link will be in the description box. Go through that video. We have discussed thoroughly that how you should prepare for the gate exam. Okay, now you have to solve the gate questions at least 10 years, but my suggestion is take the question, if possible take the questions from 1987 to till now. There are a lot of questions, more than 2000 questions are available to prepare it. I think 2000 are okay. Next is that you have to take care of your time management skills, speed and accuracy. So now you will have to take care of your time management skills. I mean, I am talking about you will have 3 hours, then how will you utilize these 3 hours, how you will attempt the paper, what will be your strategy. Second is the speed, and third one is the accuracy. Okay, so these 3 things you will have to prepare, and these things no one will teach you. Okay, so there is no need to go on the online coaching centers to learn all these basic things. You will learn all these things on the basis how you solve the question, what is the approach to solve any question. So once you will have all the notes from the neptel and the books, one single book for one subject, you will have a complete understanding of the syllabus. Then you start solving the gate questions and solve them with the time management. Like, I want to solve this question in 3 minutes or 2 minutes, it's easy, it should have 15 seconds. Theoretical questions I will not take more than 30 seconds. So you will have to develop a strategy. Okay, you will have to develop a strategy how you are going to attempt the paper and with what speed, like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes. Okay, if the question will have more than two parts, then it will take 10 minutes, so I will save that time with the theoretical questions. So that's how you should have to do it. And you have to be accurate. Accuracy will come with the more you questions you will solve, and the more and more you will refresh your concepts. Okay, and finally comes the online calculator. Okay, this thing also will not be taught on the online classes, and this one also will not be taught in offline classes too. So whenever you are using or learning the or attempting the gate questions, okay, so you will have to learn how to use the online calculator. It's available everywhere, just write it online calculator gate. Even on the neptel website they have this online calculator, so you should learn how to use it. I mean, it looks easy, but sometimes people do mistake because the online calculator works differently. Okay, it's phone, it's easy, you are directly clicking on the screen, but in the case of this system, you will have to move your mouse here and there to click on the calculator. It's not like you are using the keypad, you have to use the mouse to click on the calculator. So you have to develop a speed on how to use the online calculator. So these three qualities, like development of management skills, speed, accuracy, how to use the online calculator, all these things you will learn without online classes. You don't need it. So I think you have understood it now, that there is no requirement of online classes. Online classes means paid online classes, 50-60,000 you will have to pay, because you will have neptel if you want the same syllabus but by the IIT professors. Neptel is available. Second, there are some, yes, even if you want to look for free, more flexible, if you want to go more flexible with the content, then you can choose this platform, which is YouTube. YouTube provides you that type of content. There are some faculties, some people who are uploading the content based videos on YouTube, so you can access those videos also. And then you will have to, so you will solve the gate questions, which is also, again, you will have to pay 1,000 or 2,000 for some specific booklets. Like, I recommend M Subbu. Okay, so purchase that book. It will have all the questions from 2001 to 2000, from 1987 to 2018. So you will find all these, like almost 31 years of questions available on on this booklet. Okay, so that will sort out your problem of gate questions, and this booklet is very accurate. That's why I also recommend instead of Arihant and other booklets. Okay, so you have the gate questions, you have the online content, and rest of the quality, that is the time management skills like accuracy, speed, using online calculators, all come from your side. Online classes will never teach you all those things. So I think if you will conclude, you don't need to spend these 50-60,000 rupees on online platform, okay, and then learn the same stuff which you can learn from the normal lectures, from the normal neptel and all those places. So I think now you have an alternate options. That's why I said in the initial of the video, in the starting of the video, that there are always alternate for the same destiny. Okay, you have to choose the best one. But right now in this corona situation, the best choice is to prepare with the neptel. They will give you the same content. I'm telling you, the same thing is there also, and in the neptel they will be more accurate as compared to other platforms, because they are IIT professors. They will make the gate paper. Okay, so I think I have sort out and explained the solution to this online coaching. So I think you don't have to pay it. Even if you want, please take the opinion from other people. Okay, like your friends are there, or some YouTubers which like upload their opinions about these online classes, whether you should take the lectures or not. Because what I concluded from these videos is that this is not a right platform. Okay, these platforms are only for money. They're not here for to your don't care about like whether you have the one rank or second rank. They just care about money. So better you should choose the right option right now. Okay, and I think I have given you that option now. So that's it guys, and if you have any more doubts about it, please let me know in the comment box and we will sort out your problem there. Okay, so good luck guys, and see you soon in the next video.